braid ponytail.
Period. Sleek at that, sleek. So today in the video, what we're gonna show you, how to blow dry her hair out, how to slick it real good so you can have like, you know, this nice sleek ponytail. And we just gonna take you through all the process of doing it. Okay. So first you wanna make sure you prep her hair. Use some heat protectant. My favorite is the Fantasia heat protectant. You want to just use it all over her hair. For her roots, and your regular flat iron for the rest of her hair. So y'all, I'm gonna voice. To go to the gym. Basically, the cops was like, no one was about to walk up to me, but I walked out the way. I was like, I was not here.
Good.
I was not here. I'm not a witness. Okay. And then you just use like a scarf or even like a you wear just the right top. You get it like the front part and the back. Okay. And then try not to take it wet. Okay. Do you take like hot showers?
Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Try not. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. slowly. Yeah. And this is how you achieve it, guys. So make sure you look at the pictures, okay? It just don't move. It really don't move from there. Yes. Get into it. Let's see it, okay? Period. Okay. Get into the edge, get into everything. Just swirl it. Okay? Lizzy! Yes, y'all see it. And then turn around to the bag. Yes. Say just like that. And then whip it around. Yes. And turn it, whip it to the front. Y'all see it, okay? Period. And then turn back around, keep turning in a circle. Into everything.
Hello,
You can follow the steps, it would just look just like this.
wondering if I could give you my number, maybe. Oh, you're here for the
Arm
summer?
attack.
Oh, it's nice. Maybe we can hang out sometime. I'll give you my number, alright? We can hang out. This will be fun.
And that's how it should look, y'all. So make sure y'all subscribe, y'all follow Lizzy. What's your @ name? Give me your @ name.
Queen_.
And what's your food page?
Exquisite Eats by B_.
And make sure y'all get with her. She got great food. It tastes so good. And get into the slice, put your head down. Get into it, y'all. Get into the swirlies, okay? Who edges is like this? Oh, okay. It's Lizzy's, period.